how to change video background in CapCut PC. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open CapCut in your PC. Once you open the CapCut, go ahead and import a video where you would like to change the background of. Once the video has been imported, drag it to your timeline. And from here, you want to go ahead and simply duplicate it. For that, Ctrl C and Ctrl V in your keyboard, and just like so, manage the length. And just like that, you want to go ahead and select the first video, and inside here tap on remove BG and then tap on auto removal. Once the background has been changed, all you have to do is simply select a background from here. Go ahead and select the background that you prefer. Just like so, once you found the background, you want to go ahead and simply place it between these two clips. You want to go ahead and simply adjust the video. Let's go ahead and add some transition to it. For that, tap on animation and let's go ahead and select one of them from here. Let's go ahead and add this one. And just like so, this is what it looks like. That's all do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.